guys, Justin S Team 2 here. So I wanted to make this video on my Lexus IS 350 2015 F Sport rear-wheel drive car. So before I bought this car, I actually did a ton of research on different Lexus models and stuff like that. I wanted to make my own video to kind of contribute to those, I guess. So then if you're looking for this car or a car similar or just curious about it, then there's more videos out there, because I've pretty much watched every single video. So there's no more new content for me, and so maybe for you as well if you've been watching these videos, or maybe this is your first and only one, I don't know. But so I thought I would just kind of go over the car. And then one thing a lot of the videos was missing though is they would show all the features of the car, but they wouldn't drive it, and I always wanted to see it drive. So I'll do a little cruise at the end as well. This is the interior. It's really nice, actually. Red interior. The interior comes in different colors. There's like the tan and the black, I think, are the only other colors. And then also the red. So the red interior is really nice. I always get compliments on it. I've only had this car for like a week or so, and I've already gotten a ton of compliments on it. The rear legroom, if you have the seat, I mean, I have this comfortable for driving here. You could definitely fit people comfortably back there. My friends don't really complain about it at all. If you have, this is as far as this is the seat all the way back. So if you put it all the way back, there's not much room for a rear passenger. I mean, they could still fit, yeah, but it'd be pretty tight. But if you do have it all the way back, then this person has these are my work stuff. They have a ton of room in the front, but you can see, like with me, you know, I'm comfortable. This is how I drive. I'm 5'8", and there's still enough room in the back here for a back seat person. It is a 5-seat. It does have 3 seats. This can fold back up, but I think 2 people is comfortable. 3 would be a little crazy because that you could technically cram 3 people in here legally because it has a seat belt, but it's basically a 4-seater, but you could make it work if you wanted. This is how you turn on. You put your foot on the brake and push to start. The key fob doesn't have to be like right next to it, just close to it. I always keep mine in my pocket on me. Some people will throw it in the cup holder or do whatever with it, but I always like it on me, so then it's always. So this is the dash right here. It's actually taken out of the Lexus LFA supercar. The reason they had it a digital dash was because that car is so fast that the little needle right there, a real one, can't actually keep up with how fast it is. Obviously in this car, the needle could keep up, but they put the dash straight into this car as well, which is really nice. Even as, you know, the different modes, so eco, normal, and then sport, and then if you have the F Sport model like I do, then also Sport Plus. So Sport Plus is cool because it actually changed the suspension to make it tighter and stuff. It might be a little bit of a rougher ride than just sport or normal or eco, but it's definitely so you can go a little bit faster. So AC, you can do auto, and that's really nice. It'll turn up and down the fan for you. It'll even change the temperature for you when you have it on auto. So it's pretty nice. You can just put it on auto and it will pretty much sense you and make it comfortable. And then you can also have dual, so you can turn dual on, and then you can make, you know, this side however you want, and you can even just press this, or you can go up and down. We're gonna turn that off though because no one else is in the car. Heated and cooled seats. Again, I just have the cooled seat on, which it only blows through the bottom, which is really nice. It would be nice if it blew through the top as well because it looks like it does, but it doesn't. But it's still nice. It's very nice. Then the glove box, I love this because it kind of just drops slow. And then, you know, it's 2020, so I got my mask there. So it's really easy. That way I can just do that and grab my mask, and then, yeah, instead of having it hanging from up here or whatever. Yeah, I mean, this car has a ton of features. I could make a whole video just on the features alone, but I wanted to make this video more of like a cruising video, I guess, just more entertaining. You know, it's got everything you'd expect, you know, auto headlights, daytime running lights, automatic windows, stuff like that. Auto rolling back up. It's got blind spot monitoring, which one thing is when I test drove this was off. You can actually turn it on and off. So make sure you keep it on if you're going to be using it, because if you don't have it on, then it's not going to show ding up there. So if you're used to having it on and you turn it off, that could be a problem. So I would just always keep it on. But you can turn it off if for some reason you don't like it or something, I don't know, but I'd recommend keeping it on. This is really nice, the clock, it just kind of makes it a little bit more fancy, and that's just my phone mount there. This is also just the old person's phone mount thing. I don't know, I don't want to take it off. I don't know, I just kind of like it, but yeah. And then it has nice thing about this car is a ton of different ways to change everything. Like, you can pause and play here, or you can turn off the audio here. Then you have all the options over here. You can do pretty much with this button, this thing here, you can pretty much access everything right here. You can do a bunch of stuff here, but then you can also come over here and access a bunch of stuff this way. So, I mean, there's just a ton of features. Again, like I said, I don't want to make this video too long and boring. If you're interested more in the features, or if you have any very specific questions, comment, I'll answer it. Or if you want to hit me up on Instagram or whatever way, I can answer your questions. I'm very responsive. This is, your trip thing. I mentioned this because I didn't know how to do this when I got the car. So you can make the odometer go away if you have a bunch of miles, or you can leave it up, or you can track your miles. So yeah, I'll make the cruising video now. And then again, if you guys have any questions, I didn't cover a ton of features. One thing I do want to mention though, the paddle shifts are extremely responsive, as well as the manual mode. So yep, it's pretty nice, and let's go cruising. Now this is the outside of it. That's what it looks like. You can tell the wheels are actually like cambered a little bit. See, if you actually look at the wheel when it's turned all the way, see that's kind of to the side. So that's pretty cool. F Sport logos. That's what inside it looks like from looking out.